Naming packages on Fiverr is crucial for attracting clients and showcasing the range of your services effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide. Use clear, descriptive titles. Each package should clearly convey its level of service. For example, use titles like Basic Setup, Standard Customization, and Premium Full Service. Clear names help buyers immediately understand what each level includes. Highlight key features in the name. If your packages differ by features, highlight these in the name. For example, Starter Logo Design for a simple logo, Advanced Branding Package for logos and brand guidelines, Ultimate Web Solution for full-service web development. Emphasize value at higher tiers. Show value progression in the names, as higher packages should sound more comprehensive. Use words like Complete, Pro, Plus, or Enhanced for the higher packages to make the increased investment seem worthwhile. Keep it short and professional. Aim for clarity and professionalism in each name. Package names should not be overly creative or long. Instead, be straightforward to help clients immediately recognize what each tier offers.